Hey guys, and welcome to this video. Today I want to find the value of this expression 8 minus 5 times 8 minus 5 in parentheses. So 8 minus 5 gives us 3. Now 8 minus 5 gives us 3, and we have one parenthesis here, one multiplication here. So 3 times 3 gives us 9. But this answer is not correct. According to the rules of mathematics PEMDAS, we have to solve this math expression in this way. First parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and then addition or subtraction. So, according to this rule, we have one parenthesis here that we have to solve it first. So, 8 minus 5 gives us 3. Now, we have 8 minus 5 times 3. So, according to the PEMDAS, we have one multiplication here that we have to solve it first. As we know, multiplication has higher priority than this subtraction. So 5 times 3 gives us 15. Now we have 8 minus 15. That this expression is equals to negative 5. The final answer is negative 5. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this video.